Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, well, we may see a couple of thunderstorms this afternoon, but nothing like yesterday. My goodness, it lined up right over us, and there was obviously some scattered microbursts. One of them is in the house where I grew up in there, around Ranch Mart area. My mother still lives there. A tree got knocked over there, and you could see one block had a lot of tree damage, others not at all. Those were not tornadoes because there wasn't any rotation. It was definitely microburst winds. Now today we could see a few thunderstorms, and one or two could have some gusty winds, but nothing on the scale that we had yesterday. It would be nice just to get some rain, and there are rain chances. Now, it would be nice to get some rain as a statement really needing to be said for just one more group of people. I'll show you here in just a second. Here is the rainfall totals over the last 7 days. Now, your rain gauge may read different when you look at the big picture. You can see from New Mexico all the way to the Great Lakes, plenty of rain. As a matter of fact, I talked about the flash flood emergency in Grand Island, Nebraska the other day, one of their wettest days in history, I think like 6.5 inches of rain or so. When we zoom into our area, northwest Missouri, which was in a level 1 of 4 drought, well, that got eliminated with the 3 to 8 inches of rain over the last week, and there was some flooding up there, but pretty beneficial. Then yesterday, down to I-70, there was, on the north side, some good rain, not only yesterday afternoon, but another round last night, and so they're about 1/2 to 2 inches of rain. This morning, there was a nice area of rain to our south, and that got Clinton to Paola and down towards Iola. But there is a zone in that red circle there, from Emporia to Olathe to Grain Valley and Odessa, that has not had much rain in the last week or even the last 2 weeks. Now, that western end there around Emporia, they had a wet spring and they had plenty of rain as of about a week to 10 days ago, but it dries out fast, and that's the last area really. Now, off to the east there, Sedalia, Columbia, they're actually in pretty good shape, and they've had some rain, and Moberly and Marshall in that area probably could use a job. Probably could have extended the circle up, or there's another one right in there as well. So, can we fill these circles in? So, I think we might be able to, but when and how? So we take a look at our powercast this afternoon. You can see a few showers and thunderstorms around, and around 7 p.m. there could be a few. This shows it more widespread, I think, than it'll be, but it doesn't show it as intense. So if you're headed out to the K tonight, and hopefully the Royals can score a run, we'll see about that. And if there is even a downpour, it won't last long. It would be just a delay, certainly no rain out, because after 7, 8 o'clock, anything that forms will fall apart. Tomorrow morning looks dry, a few thunderstorms to our south. You can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow, but the chance is low, 20% or less. And then on Sunday, there's a chance in the morning, but those are going to be scattered about. The chance is about 20%, and then they fade away. And Sunday's mostly just hot and humid, but here we go. Sunday evening, you can see a few thunderstorms to the east, but watch what happens between 7 p.m. and midnight on Sunday. Wow, that is quite an area of rain and thunderstorms, and that could have some strong winds with it as it comes south towards us. Now, is it going to be early Sunday evening, middle of the night Sunday night, or Monday morning? Kind of hard to tell, but it should move through the entire area, and sometime on Monday, probably in the morning, it will come to an end, meaning we are left with this kind of a rainfall situation for the weekend. Most locations should see a 1/2 to 1 inch, some 1 to 2 inches of rain, a few 2 to 4 inches, and most will be south and east of KC. Heaviest will be down there. So, but again, we'll have to see how thunderstorms set up, and then that kind of determines where the heavier rain is, as you saw yesterday. And most of this is really Sunday night and Monday, so we will be keeping an eye on that. Hopefully your yard or farm gets the rain it needs. Even in areas that got rain yesterday could use some more, especially in Kansas City area north of I-70 and areas off to the east. So today, 85 to 90, a few showers and thunderstorms until 6 to 9 p.m. And then Saturday, breezy, hot, humid, 70 to 75, 89 to 93 for the high, partly cloudy, breezy, hot, and humid. And then as we head towards Sunday, kind of a hot day. There might be a thunderstorm in the morning, 20%, but a 60% at night. Then that chance lingers into Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are generally dry ahead of the 4th of July weekend. 4th of July weekend is going to be hot, as it usually is, but nothing out of control. And I do think there will be thunderstorm chances on the 4th of July weekend, but I do not expect all-day rain events, and we'll just have to get better on the timing as we get closer to it. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy.